guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. We're still in Jeju Island, and one thing I wanted to share with you is this is fire chicken spicy enoki mushroom. So it's been like a TikTok viral recipe. If you just want like a quick snack for your little anju for your beer or soju, or just want to have like a quick side dish for your rice, this is the recipe you want to try. Enoki mushrooms always, I don't know why they hide on the bottoms, like can't see where I need to cut. Cut my enoki mushrooms. Is compost, do you think? I mentioned about Korean recycle, and a lot of people was like, what is so different Korea do? Like a lot. So even like mushroom bag like this, any plastic bag, they will recycle, and you have to rinse off all of them. Like nice and clean plastic cans and everything. Depending on where you live, you have to pay for your food waste as well. More food waste you have, more money you have to pay. So it's like, it's a good motivation to not to have much of a food waste. Now, we are going to slice the mushroom lengthwise, cut into more like a bite size. I'm gonna turn the stove over medium-high heat. You can use regular cooking oil like avocado oil, grapeseed oil, whatever you have. Or since we are making super spicy enoki mushrooms, I'm gonna use my chili oil. If you're using chili oil, medium heat. Regular oil, medium-high heat. Go ahead and place enoki mushrooms. Smells so good already! While enoki mushroom is cooking, we are going to make the sauce. You will need 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Garlic into a mixing bowl. And we're gonna chop some green onions. The light green part is going into the sauce. And another half, I'm gonna keep it for garnish later. And to the sauce, we're gonna add a tablespoon of soy sauce, tablespoon of gochugaru, Korean red pepper flakes. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, it's not coming out. Oh, wait. A tablespoon of sweetener of your choice. I'm using this oligodang. You can use agave nectar, sugar, maple syrup, honey, whatever you want to use. I was going to use gochujang too, but I don't think gochujang is necessary because I'm gonna add this fire chicken sauce. Oh, and a little bit of water as well. Now I'm gonna start dressing our enoki mushrooms with the sauce. Just pour it on top, not all of it, just maybe like a half of it. If you have a satay sauce, sambal, oh, use it, use it. Whatever spicy sauce you have, use it, use it. Sichuan style, oh yeah. Take go. No, not filming me. I don't want you to see me. 이건 또 어디다 담나? Where should I put this on the plate? That? No. I want round plate. Let's plate them. They're pretty much done. 뭔가 생각했던 그런 시뻘건 소스는 아니지만 아주 만족합니다. Garnish with some chopped green onions and sesame seeds. 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아. Let's go out in the sun. 느낌이 왔어. 이 리듬에 A lot of mukbang people eating like eating noodles, almost slapping, but I'm not gonna do like that. Of course I'm gonna do like that. Take a try. What do you mean? What is it? So good. I'm glad we got another pack of enoki mushrooms. 너의 예쁜 목소리만 잘 알아, baby. 말투. you liked my fire spicy enoki mushroom, please give this video a thumbs up. I love reading your comments and sending all the hearts to you. Don't forget to leave a comment. It's getting spicier. And subscribe my channel for more delicious, authentic Asian recipes like this. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. Enoki mushroom is everywhere in between my teeth right now. I'm Seonkyoung Longas, and this is Asian at Home, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!
It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you. Alright, this feels good. You and I think we got something special, and I don't need to try any harder. It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you. Alright.